Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss in the house. Yeah. I'm so glad that you guys decided to stop in today. Today's video is going to be all about the benefits of using peppermint into any of your hair products that you use, or just make it a part of your hair regimen when caring for your hair. So if you're interested in today's video, please stay tuned. Before we continue, let me just take a moment and say welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are new tuning in, I hope you enjoyed today's content. And if you do, please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that bell's notification so that you can stay updated on new videos that are released each and every week for you. And also join this Tulip Nation. It's absolutely free and we would love for you to be a part of this family. Okay, so today's video is all about peppermint oil. Y'all, I absolutely love to eat peppermint. I love the smell of peppermint, and I'm glad that I can also use it in my hair and enjoy it in that way as well. So one of the things that I love about this particular oil, you can use it as a base oil in any of your hair products that you have at the house. So you can include it in your shampoo, your conditioner, your leave-in conditioner. You can also just include it in your own DIY hot oil treatment. You can also include it in something as simple as water, you guys, and just mist your hair with it. Y'all, peppermint is considered to be one of those powerhouse oils. In my personal opinion, it's extremely essential because you can use it in a variety of different ways. Peppermint is an antiseptic. It's an antibacterial. So if you suffer with dandruff, this is definitely one of those oils you want to make sure you include in your hair regimen. Also, another good thing about this particular oil is that if your hair is prone to lice, this would definitely be a great oil to use in your scalp. Also, y'all, keep in mind, peppermint has a cooling sensation, so it's very relaxing. So this would definitely be good if you're having some adult time and you get that scalp massage going on. Include a little peppermint into that. Last but not least, peppermint helps encourage hair growth. So again, massage it into your scalp, increase that blood flow, and watch your hair grow. Peppermint oil is something that you can find almost anywhere, but if you're interested in where I specifically got mine, I'll make sure I leave that information down in the description box below, in addition to other websites you can go to purchase your very own peppermint oil. So if you're not a really good DIYer because you're not sure how much of this or how much of that you should put into your own concoction, I highly suggest that you check out Naturals. I highly recommend that you check out Naturals' channel. She has plenty of videos regarding DIY hair products that will probably be beneficial for you. Now, keep in mind, I don't have a lot of DIY videos here, but if DIY videos is what you would like to see from me, let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll let you know how you can put a little this and that, which will include peppermint oil, into your hair products, so on, so forth. Anyway, you guys, that concludes today's video. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches.